guys, it's Lance and I'm making this about all my hockey sticks. Let's go. So this is my CCM CCM 200 Chapré 252, and it's a good stick. I would recommend it if you can find it. It's like 10 years old. I don't know. It's all banged up, as you can see, from one of my friend's brothers. So yeah, this is my CCM Chapré 252. Here's my next stick. My CCM Grip Tack. As you know, it's Nathan MacKinnon uses this stick. It's actually good. I have it in 35 flex, Grip T, Nugget Hopkins P19. Yeah, so it's a 39 flex. It's good. I would recommend it. Really good. If you use it with bare hands and you go for a slap shot, it'll just slide. Let me show you a pair of gloves with my two sticks. Hold on. I'm gonna grab my CCM gloves. Okay, my spray is going up first. So as you can see, when I'm going down to a slap shot, so say I'm going down to a slap shot, it's just gonna perfectly not move anywhere. It's just gonna stay on the stick. So I recommend this stick. It's good. You gotta wax a bit. I'm about to. So yeah, that's my CCM Chapré 252. So here's my CCM Grip Tack. I just saw my last videos how to take the knob and stick. Oh yeah, that's just my knob. So yeah, it's just when you're going down for a slap shot, it's not going to move that much. It's going to stay perfectly on, the gloves will stay perfectly on your stick. That's why I recommend this CCM Grip Tack. So yeah, you can go to Monkey Sports Colorado. They'll have this stick. It's a good stick. I really recommend it. And also my Chapré. Yeah, it's good. So yeah, that's my hockey sticks. Lenscog 92, peace. My stick reveal. My stick hockey stick.